Hi friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited that you found me today. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you on how I edit and how I remove my video background here on InShot for free. You don't have to be a pro member. You don't need an internet service to do this at all. Okay, so it's free here. I edited this background you are seeing right here using the InShot app from the beginning of the editing to the finish of the editing using only the InShot app. We don't need to screen record. We don't need to import from CapCut down to InShot. We don't need all of that. We're going to make use of only the InShot app. So I'm excited to share with you and to show you how to do it here on InShot. I know that now on CapCut, to remove your background, now on CapCut, you have to be a pro member. All right, but I'm excited to share with you that to do that here on InShot is totally free. Okay, so and I'm going to take you through the journey. The only thing you need to do is to make sure that you are recording in a well-lit environment, which means that it's either you use your artificial lightnings like your ring lights, your LED lights, or you use a natural lighting, which is the sun rays. So just sit in front of your window and allow the rays of the sun to reflect on you while recording. The number two is you need to make sure that your video recording device, which is either your phone or your camera, whatever video recording device you're using, make sure that it's in a stable condition, and also make sure that you yourself are in a stable, at least 80% stable condition. Now with all of this, I assure you're going to have a seamless video editing right here on InShot. I also have great news for YouTubers, for content creators here on YouTube, that over 90% of the features you're going to need to edit your videos here on InShot is free. Okay, you don't have to be a pro member. You don't even need an internet services. I think this is particularly to the new YouTubers that are not monetized yet. You don't need to worry about internet service. You don't need to worry about being a pro member, because almost all of the features you're going to need to edit your video here on InShot is free. Okay, and I'm going to take you through that journey. So guys, let's move right into the video. A quick one: if you're just seeing my face for the first time and you're yet to subscribe, or you've been seeing me but you've not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the time to hit on the subscribe button just below this video right here. Please subscribe to my channel, and also tap on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for doing that, and let's journey right into the tutorial.
So the first thing to do, the first step, is to tap on camera. Once you tap on camera, tap on video, then tap on this red button and start to record yourself. Record whatever you want to do. Maybe it's a vlog or a DIY or whatever thing you want to do, whatever recordings you want to make, that you want to change the background, just go ahead to record that. When you're done recording, now tap on this red button here and it automatically saves to your phone's gallery. Now tap on your InShot app. If you don't have an InShot app, please download one on your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now we tap on the InShot app and then it's going to give you this template. Tap on video, then tap on this new. Once you tap on new, it takes you to your phone's gallery where you have all your videos. Tap on the video you just recorded and tap on this green check mark. Now it takes you here, and then to remove this InShot watermark, tap on that multiplication sign on it. Tap on free remove and it's going to remove that watermark for you for free. Wait a little while it does that, and after it's done, please tap on this video here. Once you tap on this video, scroll to the left and then tap on this cutout. Once you tap on cutout, tap on this cutout again, and then it starts to starts to remove the background. So while processing, tap on this check icon and you can continue with your editing while it's processing. Tap on Canva. When you tap on Canva, tap on ratio, make sure it's on 16:9. That is for YouTube videos. Now you tap on background, and here we are about to change the background. Now you tap on this gallery icon that you're seeing right here, this photos icon. Tap on it. It takes you automatically to your phone's gallery where you have all your photos. So you already have all my photos that the ones I want to change to, I already have them downloaded. If you don't have, let me show you how I downloaded all of them. So go to your default browser, any default browser you are using at all. Just tap on the default browser. Now on it, type freepik.com. Then tap on search. Now it brings you to this template. Now on this search all assets, type the kind of concept you want. So I tapped on bedroom with classy bedroom with bookshelf. You can see. So just tap on anything you want. Just give it a description of what you want. Now it's going to give you a collation of a lot of video and photos. Whenever you see anyone you love, just tap and hold on it. Tap and hold. It's going to give you this option. Tap on save to photos and it automatically saves to your phone's gallery. All right, so you can just continue with that and just save as much as you want to your phone's gallery. Okay, now when you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do now is to tap on any image that you want. As you can see that all the images that we downloaded from the Freepik app, everything is right here on the phone. All right, so just tap on any image that you want and it automatically changes the background for you. So this is it. The video is not clear yet. That is because the cutout is still processing. Okay, so now if you just feel that you want this background changed, you don't want this background anymore, you want to change it, then go back to Canva, then come to background, then you double tap on this and then it takes you back to the InShot photo gallery where you have all your photos. Then you select the image you want and it automatically changes that for you. So you can repeat this till you are satisfied. Now if you want a blur background, these are the blur options. So you can see it's blurred now. If you want it this way, you can move on to the next, you can move on to the next depending on how much blur you want. Now you can adjust your video to fit in perfectly to the background, and you can see here the cutout is still on 93%. It's still processing, so just wait while it finish processing. That if you are done with your editing, so just wait for the cutout to finish processing. And if you're not done yet, you can continue to edit your videos, edit your background, change your backgrounds, do everything you want to do here. Now as you can see guys, so the next thing we are going to do now, I'm going to show you. You see that my face is a little bit dark here, so I want to show you how I'll light up my face. Just go to filter, go to adjust. Okay, so increase the resolution a little bit on the adjust. All right, you also see sharpen under this adjust. You can brighten it and all of that, just to make your face look brighter. That is if you want your face to look brighter. So now once you're done and you're satisfied, tap on this icon here and tap on save. So you can save on 1080 or you can save on 2K depending on your preference. Now it's already saving into the phone's gallery guys, and that is all. So from your phone's gallery you can just move it to your YouTube, move it to anywhere you want.
So that is how simple and easy it is to change your background here on InShot. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope that you've learned one or two things from this video. Please, if you have, do not forget to give me a thumbs up just below this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends, to your families, to help them also with their editing skills. Alright guys, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel to this point, you've watched this video to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button to be a member of this great family. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Until I see you in my next, have a great day. Bye.